I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the image and the minimal tools you need: a depth estimator and a motion generator. First, create or confirm a depth map so the software can separate foreground and background. This gives parallax. Then supply a short motion reference or sketch motion vectors because models need direction and speed. Once done, set your output size and frame rate. 2430 FPS is standard. Make sure to save intermediate files for faster iteration. You now turn the depth map into animated layers and define camera choreography. Start by extruding layers into a pseudo 3D space so you can pan, tilt, or dolly. This creates convincing parallax. Next, apply motion transfer or skeletal flow to introduce subject motion. Subtle shifts sell realism. Then run frame interpolation to fill temporal gaps and smooth jitter. Choose a motion blend strength that preserves texture. Once blended, compare before and you finish by rendering and polishing the sequence for playback. First, render at target resolution, then add color matching, subtle grain, and motion blur to hide synthesis seams. Make sure audio syncs if you add a soundtrack. If you see warping, ghosting, or sharp edges, refine masks or rerun depth estimation with adjusted parameters. Sometimes lowering interpolation strength fixes smearing. Finally, export using a high-quality codec. Check on multiple devices and iterate until the motion feels natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.